Working with THP is a breeze. THP's virtual studio allows you to be an active participant on your production day, wherever you may be. Home, office, beach. It can be anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. Just log on to our virtual studio, and you'll be able to approve your photos in real time.
Hey Anna, so we have the shot of vanilla cake up on set. If you want to take a look at it and let us know what you think.
You can choose to communicate through a verbal or written chat and collaborate directly with your production team.
Oh, she says, yep, that's perfect. Approved.
Not only is this available in our photo studios, but now you can also watch a live stream of our main camera from our video studio. It's so simple. We'll send you a link, click it, and you're immediately part of the action. You no longer need to travel to be on set. It's all part of THP's commitment to our customers' experience, saving you time, money, and producing exceptional quality every single time, right from the comfort of wherever you may be.